Hi, my name's Simon, GM8NYB, and I'm continuing doing videos of how I'm progressing with this CR100 restoration. Last time I took off the oscillator coils out of the coil pack. This is it here. Now I have a normal fluke here, it's quite a good fluke, and it has a capacitance range, but it's not very wide range. So I looked a quick round on the internet and I found this on eBay. That was about £10, so I thought, well, chance it and see what happens. Especially measure capacitances, it's on here. Different ranges, up to 200 PF here and all the way up to microfarads on this side. I was quite surprised, it's quite accurate, and I thought it was to be a bit of a gimmicky thing, but it seems quite good, especially for what I want to do here. Basically, I just wanted to check the capacitor values and make sure they're okay. Now this works on a frequency, it sets, I'm not sure what the frequency was, I was reading the instructions there, a few kilohertz, so it works out the capacity there. So what I've done, I'll switch it on here, 200 PF range. It comes with these rather flimsy leads. Now I did have my little component tester lead here, but it has an internal capacity, so for measuring the very small capacities, it won't null out. Now you can null out those lead capacity with the little pot here. So that's a bit jumpy, but you get an idea. Hard to do to camera. So I've got a clock clip on here. I'm going to put it to 200 PF range here, because that's the first capacitor I'm going to measure. Is this one here, which is 1000. I think we have to be up here. See what happens. So this is 20 NF, so that's 1190 PF. And that one down there, according to the drawing, is 1190. So that's within spec, it's 2%. One here wanted to check. I had to unsolder them, by the way, I can't measure them in circuit. So I've also put my own crocodile clip on the end of this. So I should be able to clip that on there. Now this is a 56. Bit C44 56, so let's put that down to the 200 range. Still zeroed. Let's see what we get here. 62. It could be the leads, you see. So I'm not sure the percentage of that. 5%. So I'm slightly out of the tolerance. This one here is 3400. So go with it. That's not easy. It's not easy to do it on camera. It's much easier without having to do it to a camera here. 3.43 nanofarads, 3400 picofarads. Now according to this, it's supposed to be 3400, so I can see on it written 10%, so it's not bad. Right, there's some capacitors on top of here. Very hard to read these ones, they're very small. And because it's measuring right down to, it's hard to just hover that over there. I think that one's 5 PF. 3.5. These are marked on the drawing as select on test. So I'm not going to really remove these. Right, there's two more capacitors I had to put one on the other side, which is that one there, which I think is 460 PF. And it's grounded, so I've got a lot of capacitor on the ground, so I'll do that in there. Switch the range again. 474. According to this, it's supposed to be 460. within 10%. Not too bad. And this one here, the front end, that's 500, I'm not sure. 150 PF. That's okay, so there we go. So far very good. I haven't unsoldered this one yet, it's a bit awkward. This one here is another awkward one to get to measure. It's got a lot of wires on it, so probably. And this one at the front, as far as I can see, which I can't see on the drawing, actually 10,000 PF. So. I think I have to unsolder this bit more. Yeah, they're not the best drawings, these. So there's a capacitor behind here. I need to look it up. I tested it earlier and it was within spec. But there we go, that was a cheap little thing on eBay. And it seems to work quite well. The problem was I have to unsolder one end of each capacitor to check it there. But I wanted to check it before I put it all back together. Now, I've also changed the resistors on here. All the resistors were out of tolerance. I haven't soldered them back in yet because the capacitor's gone. I put one in here, put some heat shrink on it. There's another resistor there. These are modern resistors, and one that goes into the switch as well, there as well. So, a little short video of testing this coil. I've cleaned it up a bit. I'm going to reassemble it all now. I'm not going to change the capacitors, they seem to be within tolerance. Thanks to the meter I can tell now. And the resistors have been replaced with modern resistors. So that can be reassembled. And then I'll start on the next one. Well, thank you for watching, and click the like button. Bye bye.